Government Vidarbha Institute of Science and Humanities, Amravati, Department of Chemistry, Semester 1st, Practical 2nd, Physical Chemistry, Part B, Exercise number 2, Non Instrumental, Experiment number 3. Hello, friend. Today we will perform new experiment, the order of reaction and velocity constant for the inversion of cane sugar by acid. Aim to find out the order of the reaction and velocity constant for the inversion of cane sugar by acid. Apparatus and chemical. Chemical: cane sugar, hydrochloric acid. Apparatus: polarimeter, sodium vapor lamp, beaker, stopwatch. This is the required apparatus for performing this experiment: polarimeter, sodium vapor lamp, beaker, and stopwatch. Cane sugar is hydrolyzed in presence of dilute Cl or H2SO4. It gives glucose and fructose. The solution of cane sugar is dextrorotatory. In the beginning, on the hydrolysis in presence of acid, say hydrochloric acids, it gives glucose dextrorotatory and fructose levorotatory in equal amount. The levo rotation of fructose is minus 92 degree, which is larger than the dextro rotation of glucose plus 52.5 degree. The mixture is thus levorotatory. That is why the hydrolysis of cane sugar is known as inversion of cane sugar. The progress of the reaction is followed by the measuring the change in the angle of rotation by means of polarimeter. The change in rotation produced in time t gives a measure of x, that is, the amount of cane sugar hydrolyzed. The total change in the rotation produced at the end of the reaction gives a measure of A, the initial concentration of cane sugar, where R0, RT, and R infinity are the rotation at the start of the reaction, after time t, and at the completion of the reaction respectively. K is equal to 2.303 upon t log to the base 10 is equal to R0 minus R infinity upon RT minus R infinity. The reaction is of the first order, as only the concentration of cane sugar changes during the courses of the reaction. The concentration of water does not change appreciably as it is present in the large excess. The rate expression for a first order reaction is given by K is equal to 2.303 upon T log to the base 10 A upon A minus X, where K is the velocity constant, A is the initial concentration of cane sugar, X is the amount of cane sugar hydrolyzed in time t. For the inversion of cane sugar, we have A is equal to R0 minus R infinity and X is equal to R0 minus RT. Procedure: prepare 100 ml of 5% solution of cane sugar. Now mix 100 ml of this solution with 100 ml of N by 2 HCl in a reaction vessel. Immediately fill the polarimeter tube with this solution and start taking reading. As soon as the first reading is taken, start the stopwatch. The value will correspond to the reading R0, that is the rotation value at the start of the reaction. The zero reading is to be taken with the distilled water before starting the actual experiment. Observation table: room temperature is equal to T degree Celsius. Zero reading with distilled water is equal to R degree. This is the observation table. It contains 5 columns and 8 rows. First column, serial number. Second column, time in minutes. Third column, reading in degrees. Number 4, angle of rotation R. Number 5, velocity constant K. Calculation: the velocity constant for the reaction is calculated according to the equation 1. This means of all the value is taken. This gives the velocity constant of the reaction. The value of K is calculated for every interval of time, and it is seen that the value comes out to be constant which show that the reaction is of the first order. Result: order of reaction and velocity constant. Thank you.